Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the company update for Fortuna Mining on Commodity TV. Gold and silver will continue to delight us with rising prices in 2025, and companies such as Fortuna Mining are benefiting greatly from this. The company reported record production of almost 456,000 ounces gold equivalent for 2024 and 2025, and that looks also good. The fourth quarter and the full year 2024 went very well from the 5 active mines in Latin America and West Africa. For the full year 2024, Fortuna produced a record of almost 370,000 ounces gold and over 3.72 million ounces of silver, representing a record of almost, as said, 456,000 ounces gold equivalent, including byproduct lead and zinc. In Q4, 116,358 ounces gold equivalent were produced compared to 110,820 in Q3 2024. Gold production totaled 95,000, almost 96,000 ounces, and silver production totaled over 843,000 ounces. Also very strong was the repurchase of over 6.4 million common shares at an average price of $4.77 per share for a total of over $30.5 million, representing almost 42% of the 15.3 million shares under the share repurchase program. Accordingly, the shareholders were also considered. Silver production of 3.7 million ounces was below guidance compared to 5.9 million ounces in 2023, and 39.6 and 51.9 million pounds of lead and zinc respectively were produced as byproducts. All in all, a great year for Fortuna Mining, and they have now even been able to sell the San Jose mine and have no further expenses here. The focus remains on cost optimization and the next mine project, Diamba Sud, in Senegal, where we see production starting in the next 3 to 5 years. The company is also well equipped for 2025. Gold equivalent production is expected to be between 380,000 and 422,000 ounces, which represents a forecast decline of 17% or 7% compared to 2024 production. Gold production is expected to be between 334,000 and 373,000 ounces, and silver production is around 1 million ounces, which represents a significant decrease of around 75%. The AIC are planned at $1,550 to $1,680 per ounce gold equivalent, which is a very good margin at today's gold prices of over $2,750 per ounce. The production forecast for 2025 is lower than in 2024 due to the impact of the sale of the San Jose mine. The higher silver price compared to zinc and lead also plays a role in the calculation of silver equivalent production at the Caylloma mine. Direct operating costs and AIC are expected to be consistent with 2024, despite the increase in stripping ratio at the Lindero and Séguéla mines, which is expected to peak in 2025 at Lindero and 2026 at Séguéla. This is expected to be offset by lower capital expenditure at both the Lindero and Yaramoko mines. Capital investment in equipment and infrastructure at Lindero is expected to decrease by approximately 67%, while capital expenditure at Yaramoko is expected to decrease by approximately 60%. The company also benefits from various productivity and cost efficiency initiatives in 2025. Some of the key projects already reflected in the AIC forecasts amount to an additional cash flow pre-tax of $16 million at Lindero and the optimization of the processing plant in Séguéla to process then 1.7 million tons per year. In addition, the company is providing a 2-year forecast for the Séguéla mine to reflect the significant improvement in gold production and AIC expected in 2026. In 2025, approximately 140,000 ounces gold are expected to be produced here at AIC of $1,500 to $1,600 per ounce, and in 2026, it is expected already to be 160,000 to 180,000 ounces gold, with significantly lower costs of $1,260 to $1,390 per ounce. This would give profitability a further boost. A total of $41 million is also being invested in exploration, which means that significantly more will be found than just a replacement rate for production. Fortuna Mining is in a great position, and we also see the point and figure chart positive. The buy formation from 2023-2024 indicates an overarching price target of 14.5 Canadian dollars for the stock. This could be reached as early as the end of 2026. You can also find all the information on our commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The share discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.